in downtown Akron, Ohio, at the Evans building. Just wait until you see what's in here. First off, this beautiful lobby. And this elevator is sitting right here waiting for us. But look at this. Oh yeah, if you want to see the indicator, look at that. It's got the buttons on the inside. It's got Payne fixtures. Wow. Look at this old building. This is cool. Whew. I reckon these are UCLs. Damn, look at that old fridge and the old safe. Look at this. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on. What? It's a Haughton? And what is that? Hold on. No, no, no. Well, anyway. What the hell? I think I'm gonna pause the video. That's the same lantern that the Higley building in Cedar Rapids has. And look at that, and look at this. Don't close up on me. Wow, that's fast. Jesus, this thing is spazzing out. All right, we'll go to 6 and end the video there. It's an awesome panel. Stopping on 1. Oh, sorry. Just getting a video. I like old elevators.
Oh. You won't like this one if it breaks down.
I don't mind it. Happens from time to time.
Which might even I got to say a prayer.
To be honest with you, these old ones are the better ones.
This one breaks down a lot.
Oh, really? Never mind. Maybe not this one. This is 6, by the way.
Oh yeah, I can tell.
Have a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, what the? There's like a call station
It's
here.
a
It's
freight
Haughton.
elevator.
Oh,
is it?
Interesting. Oh, look, you can see out.
There's another one downstairs.
Oh, good to know. Look at that. That's the same. I've been on some Otis touches with those lanterns. Anyway. This is the machine room of that elevator. And if you look back there, you can see the selector. I believe this is a UAL. Wait a minute. This is Otis. Here it goes.